Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to feature a Wildcat 2007 mom and pop, not a bunkhouse. Stock number is R13933A. It's a Forest River product. Just came in on trade. Electric tongue jack, fiberglass cap, deep slide out, usable window, get some airflow in the slide room, full pass-through with spare tire. This unit's got the upgraded aluminum wheels, plenty of diamond coat to protect the outside. Four-inch bumper, park cable, usable window in the back of the slide too, and it's the good old-fashioned ram slide. Nice size awning. Let's take a peek inside. Four steps up, and it is a rear living. TV in the corner. Couple chairs, a little mismatched, but nice looking. No wear and tear. Unit will sleep 6. Great counter space. Double stainless steel sink. Stove and microwave with oven. A nice size refrigerator freezer, double door. Plenty of storage in the kitchen. You can use as a pantry or as hanging clothes. 6 drawers, 3 more cabinets. Sink is nice and available outside the enclosed stool and shower room. Walk around queen bed with a extra door. Give us a call today, folks. The number's on the screen. Email address. Paul Sherry's. We're always your dealer for nice, clean, pre-owned units.